Hi everybody, I wanted to go ahead and do a really quick review of this ring light that I just recently got by Size. This ring light is awesome, and I'll go ahead and show you in just a moment exactly how you end up putting this together. Now obviously it doesn't come with an iPhone, but I'm telling you, this product is worth its weight in gold. I love it how simplistic it is. This is actually incredibly adjustable, so you'll go ahead and see what it looks like when I stand next to it, and I'm going to give you all of the details on why this ring light is the perfect choice for you. I absolutely love at how compact this ring light is. I feel like some ring lights, they come with so many different pieces and parts, it gets a little confusing. This one, I'm telling you, is really straightforward. First, we have the tripod, and this actually can extend anywhere from 20 inches, like how it is now, all the way up to like 67 inches. So if you happen to be standing and shooting a video and you need your ring light, this is going to really have you covered. So to go ahead and open the bottom legs of the base, all you're going to do is twist this portion here to loosen it, and then you are going to be able to have this go down. From there, you have 3 different extenders, which, like I said, it can get up to about 67 inches. So I'll go ahead and kind of show you here from it sitting on the floor. There's 1, 2, and then obviously the third one will go up higher. And once I have this all assembled, I'll go ahead and stand up just so you can see what it looks like. Now this is the actual light, and this is like a really decent sized light. This is about 12 inches in diameter. And again, I like that everything is really straightforward. All of the buttons that you need to be concerned with are actually located right on the front. So you end up having your power button, you have your brightness button, and then you can dim it also as well. And then here you'll go ahead and change your light setting. And then you're simply gonna go ahead and just screw this onto the base here. This you can move front and back, so that way you can definitely adjust the light however you need to. So once I get the light kind of threaded on there, I'm gonna go ahead and wind up on this wheel right here. And then again, I can go ahead and tighten this so that way it's not gonna move on you. Now let's go ahead and talk about like where you end up putting your phone, because this is really nice. I know there's a lot of phones out there that happen to be a little bit larger, so in case you have an Android or whether you have an iPhone, this is really going to accommodate your needs. So this is about maxed out. You can see like that's a really decent amount compared to my hand, and then you can go ahead and screw that in to adjust the fit however you need to your phone. Now the other cool thing too is that on the back you also have this portion that you can adjust as well. So that way you have the ability to have your phone, whether it be horizontal or vertical, which I really like. And then you don't have to worry about damaging your phone at all. You can see that it has these really nice rubber pads that are already in there for you. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and just screw this on. Again, I like that this is all included here for you, and I get it started, and then I'll go ahead and use this wheel right here to just kind of lock it in place for me so it's not gonna move. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my phone and place it inside, and again I'm just screwing down so that way I get into a nice tight fit. Plugging it in is also really easy too. I love that they end up giving you this type of plug, because I know some ring lights, they end up just having a USB. So this, you don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is just plug this in, and literally on the side of the ring light, that is where you are going to plug it in. And then once you have it plugged in, you're gonna go ahead and be ready to go. So I'm just going to turn it on. You can see that I can make this brighter. I can go ahead and make it dimmer. And I love that it's a touchpad, like you don't have any other extra buttons or anything. And then in the middle, you have a few different settings. So this is your warm setting, and then you end up changing it, and you can see that it starts to get cooler and cooler. So I like that you have that variety. And you can see here that I'm 5'11", and this goes well past my height. So again, you have plenty of room to work with. And I also love that this comes with a remote shutter, so you can go ahead and see here, you have it for iOS and you have it for Android. I have an iPhone. I'm gonna go ahead and show you just how easy it is to hook up via Bluetooth. The button for the shutter is on the side to turn it on. You'll see that blue light come on. Then I'm just in my iPhone settings under Bluetooth, and it comes up and I click on it and I'm good to go. So if you're out there and you are looking for a ring light that's really going to accommodate in size and be able to give you an amazing variety of warm light and cool light, and also be durable as well, then I would definitely go ahead and go with this one. I love the simplistic design, and again, it is so adjustable. I absolutely love using it. Thank you so much again for checking out this review. I hope it was helpful, and I also hope you end up enjoying your new ring light. Take care, everybody.